Hello there, and welcome back again with this tutorial. So in this tutorial, we're going to be going through modeling a piece of plate. So let's go ahead and do that. We're going to unwrap the object and texture that in Substance Painter, so don't worry. So first thing first, we can go and grab the cylinder here. Left click. I'm going to zoom in with my middle mouse wheel. Let's go ahead and choose the radius here from the channel box. I'm gonna choose my polycylinder one. Let's select the radius here and the middle mouse bar. Move your mouse to the right to increase your radius. Perfect. You can convert the object to face mount. Let's go on spacebar, exit the perspective view, spacebar, enter the top view, and you can go ahead and drag your selection on the top and the bottom area. I'm going to need to return back to front view, so I'm going to spacebar and spacebar. Let's go ahead and Control deselect here. So I could go and spacebar here and spacebar and simply delete them. So delete. Let's go ahead and right click here, choose the edge mode. So I'm going to double click on my border here. So double click here and let's go and enable the scale tool. We can scale that up here. Zoom out here with the middle mouse wheel. Let's go and disable the grid here from the panel. So with that being done, let's go and disable the gizmo as well, and you actually do that by pressing Q from your keyboard. So I'm gonna Q. Let's go and right click here, convert the object to face mount. You go and grab everything here, so Control Shift grab. Let's go and enable the scale tool here and give that a couple of inserts. So I'm gonna press Shift and insert that with the left mouse bar. 1 and 2 and 3 and the last one here. Perfect. So the next step is to support the board as well. You go ahead and exit the perspective view. Let's enter the front view here. You can go and enable the quadros. So I'm gonna press Control Shift and Q. And I'm gonna need to Control click here and Control click here. Let's do that here as well, 2 here in the middle, and that's all about it. And by the way, you can find the quadro here in the moving toolkit. So I'm gonna show you here in the tools. The shortcut for that is Control Shift Q. Perfect. We go and return back to perspective view now. So spacebar and spacebar. And that's the piece we got so far. We can go ahead and right click here, face mount. Let's go and double click on the object. Let's hit to the components here and choose the extrude tool. So I'm gonna left click here. Let's go and place the box a little bit here. We can go and give that 0.3, so 0.3. Perfect. I'm gonna press W from my keyboard to proceed that. Amazing. So with that being done, let's go and unwrap this object as well. Okay, so let's head to the workspace here and expand the menu here. We could go and the UV editing mode here. Perfect, then we are working on UVs now. So we are on the next level. Let's go and right click here, choose the face mode. We go ahead and select everything here. And simply go to edit and delete them. Perfect. Let's go ahead and choose the face mode now. Spacebar again and choose the front view. So spacebar. Zoom in here. So I'm gonna need to Control and Shift. Let's select the first face here and I Control double click here. Okay, so with that being done, let's go ahead and use some other technique here to cover everything here faster. We can go ahead and use the toolkit here. Go down a little bit here under the transformer constraint. Go and choose the grow the selection here. So I'm gonna grow that twice. Perfect. Now I'm gonna head back to perspective view. There we go. So we have everything here around the object selected. We expand the create panel here. I'm gonna need to use my cylinder operation, so let's do that. Let's scale this here down, so I'm gonna scale that down. Let's scroll down a little bit here and you find the normalize option here, so I'm gonna normalize that. Now the next step is to enable the image as well, so that's because we're gonna check that if the checkered area is filled properly. So I'm gonna enable the image. And there we go, we have a little bit here of the shells, which is going outside of the checkered area. We could go ahead and scale that down, simply one on x-axis. Perfect. We'll go and disable the image and checkered as well. Okay, so the next step is to unwrap the bottom area. So I'm gonna go and control shaft loop and here as well. We can now go forward with that. I'm gonna need you to go and go to selection once here. So we should have covered everything here. We can go and control deselect everything here. I'm gonna need you to give the camera simple rotation here on perspective view. And we should be able to return back to front view here. Let's go ahead and deselect everything here. Perfect, we have the bottom area selected. I'm gonna proceed that and hit to like create panel. Let's go and normal base. Let's go and scale that bad boy down here. Let's place it on the left hand bottom corner. So I'm gonna do that. Perfect. We go ahead and select this as well and drag it up here just to expand our workspace here and have more space for the other shells. Okay, so we have the last piece here, which is inside the plate, which is not unwrapped. So I'm gonna double click on my object and we should be able to control deselect everything here. Let's go ahead and use the normal base as well. So under the create panel, normal base. Let's go and scale that bad boy down just a little bit here. So I'm gonna scale that down and leave it. Place it here. Okay, we're done with the UVs now. We can go and return back to the general user interface. We can go ahead and expand our workspace. Let's go and convert the object to object mode. So again, right click face mode. I'm gonna double click on my object. Let's go and right click here, assign new material, naked lampshade. Let's do the lampshade tool here. So I'm gonna choose it and name it as body. Perfect. Go ahead and change the color as well. And that's because you're gonna give the object a couple of ID materials to make the substance recognize the selection a lot easier. So with that being done, let's head back to front view here. So I'm gonna spacebar and spacebar. We could go and right click here, face mode. Let's go and disable the move tool here from the menu bar here. So I'm gonna left click and we could go ahead and choose everything here. So select the first space. We could go and control shift and loop everything here. And here as well, so control shift and loop everything here. And we can return back to perspective view. So spacebar and spacebar here. Zoom in a little bit here and we could select those here. So I'm gonna control shift and control shift and double click on that here as well. And we should be able to right click here and assign a new material. Let's go and choose the lampshade. Let's name that as a DMB. Change the color to something unique. In this case it's bluish, so I'm gonna choose it. Apply the smoothing results by pressing 3 and that's all about it. Okay, so that's everything for this modeling and unwrapping tutorial. We could go and texture this bad guy in the next tutorial on substance. Again, thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.